Hey YouTube, thanks again for watching. This video is just going to be on the parameters.exe file that's on the diagnostics disk, and there's about 6 screens, and I just run through them with the camera zoomed in so you can see everything that's on the screen. And I got to a page that has what looks like a bunch of motor settings and counts for the encoders, things that might be relevant to the issues I'm having right now. So this is just me cataloging it here. I'm getting some great feedback from some people, and hopefully this helps improve the ability to troubleshoot this even further. Thanks a lot for watching, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. This is the diagnostics disc, and I'm going to take you through the parameters for the ST7. And so the way to do that is I went up to, not the ST8, it's the ST7 parameters, and I can display them there. So if I hit enter, then they show up here. So that's how that works. And then let's see here what that is. No, I'm not sure. Okay. Update ST7 parameters. No, cancel. No, I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna back out of here. So you're just gonna. Well, I'm gonna take you here. This is where we're going. We're gonna parameters are. And there's multiple pages here that I'll walk through. This is a run through of the parameters on the diagnostic disc, and I'm looking for anything that maybe settings or ways to, I don't know, understand what's correct. So we got the serial number listed here and the date of manufacture. And now there's a bunch of other options here. I'm gonna keep scrolling. There's a lot of pages. Let's see. Oh, there. Okay, so here's the second page. I guess we can go. If I press page up or down, I get to the different pages. So here's the first page. Second page is, as you can see, not the things that I wanted to note here. Some things about the e-stops being enabled, thread check. I did notice this thing has an encoder on the spindle motor, and it is supposed to be capable of threading, which makes sense. So more things here. So here we go, x-axis and z-axis counts per revolution, 2000. I don't know, I'm gonna put this motor up here real quick, but that dial has a whole bunch of cuts in it. I don't know if there's actually 2,000 of them, but maybe that's what that means. Or somehow, this reader for the encoder somehow takes those little windows and turns them into 2,000. I don't know. But anyways, there's 2,000 counts per revolution on the X and the Z axis. And actually the spindle has 4,000 counts per revolution. So I guess to be doing threading, because it has that. And the pitch says is negative 1,000. Normally that would be, I don't know what if it's inches per revolution or what. That's not what it is here. But I'm gonna keep going here. And then we've got another page here of something I want to highlight here. X-axis pulsar value 2,540. Same with the Z. And we got X-axis and Z-axis homing rate and negative home distance 20. Both of those are the same. I don't know. I'm guessing those are counts. Z-axis backlash. That's interesting. It says 0 for X and Z. Once if I get this thing working, I may have to revisit that. Pulsar acceleration. Don't know what that is. I guess it's an acceleration rate. And then more things. Maybe these are the settings for the servo right here. Must be DSI value, KP value, KI value, KD value, IL value. Same thing, X, Z, and the S. That must be the spindle. Feed rate override, I don't know what that is. There's some more things here though I think I find interesting. And spindle limit, high, low. Alright, I'm gonna show something here. Well, never mind, I'm gonna just keep it on here. Anyways, there's a switch back by the spindle motor, and you can switch from high to low gear. And what it is, it's a belt that you can put in high or low speed. And I think you have to flip that switch depending which pulley you have it on, which makes sense to me. Not confirmed though. And then we got a X servo error limit 2048. So I don't know what that is. I'm getting X servo error limit. That doesn't tell me that it's error 093 like I'm seeing on the screens though. X-axis stroke gap. I don't know. Stroke width. Who knows? And then this is the last page. So this is the first page again.